In this video, I'll show you how to deploy an app on Replit. First, open your web browser, go to Replit, and sign into your account. Then open the project you want to deploy. Next, make sure your application runs correctly by clicking the Run button. Fix any errors before continuing, since your app should be working properly before you deploy it. Now, click the Deploy button near the top of the editor. Choose the deployment option that best fits your application, review the deployment settings, and configure any required environment variables or startup commands if needed. After that, click Deploy and wait while Replit builds and publishes your application. The deployment process may take a few minutes, depending on your project's size and requirements. Finally, once the deployment is complete, Replit will provide a public URL for your app. Open the link to make sure everything is working correctly. Whenever you update your project, you can redeploy it to publish the latest version. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to deploy an app on Replit. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.